Okay, folks, Bob here. At the Farmington Dragway. This event today is drag racing, foot brake, top eliminator, and also classic gear jammers. And they also have a cruise in for any car 79 and over. So there's a car show going on also at the same time. So what we have here, I believe, is a 68 or 67 442 Oldsmobile. This will be the third Oldsmobile that I've featured on the channel. The car is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, we got a stick. Look at that, got 3 pedals in the floor. Look at this. 442. This car is beautiful. Oldsmobile Club of America. I like the way they did the red accents on the hood. That is nice. That is really nice. Guys, I have a terrible glare. I cannot see what I'm looking at. I hope this video is turning out good. Like this body style, always have. Hard to argue with this. I can get over this. Check out his decals. He's an Ohio State man. Now, you know this car's got to be a blast to drive. It's got to be. Alright folks, there you have it. I do believe this is a 68 Olds 442. If I'm wrong, correct me. Hit that like button, hit that thumbs up, hit that bell notification, and subscribe. And we'll have more videos for you, okay?